Great. Sandy.
Well, the same question I have asked last week to many of my friends, how is life and what is life? And I've got different kind of answer, from north to south. And I'll just tell you what are those answers. Some interesting and some not. Everything was interesting, but let's see what are the answers. Well, on the lighter note, one said life is crazy, sweet and sour, and something like, picture or something like that. Well, the other concludes like this: life is all about loving someone and loved by someone. Well, one of my friends even meant to say, all the prediction of life as you know it, coming to end in 2012 is coming true because he is getting married in 2012. Well, that was a quite deep interpretation of life by him. One of my software friends said, life is all about getting bugged and resolving bug at the right time. Finance guy, life is about ups and downs, just like share market. The tone was just like this. Even one said life is on Facebook, the timeline, nothing else. And there was one vast majority of population which said life is life. Well, one suggested me, please don't take it so seriously because you won't come out of it alive. I took it. On the serious note, one said, well, it's about continuous learning. The other said, it's about career. Then he thought, no, it's about money. Then he thought further. He said, no, it's about work. And then he concluded like this, well, it's a quest for you in which you are searching for work and in which you want to work with, good people. One said, oh, it's about, seriously, it's simply about getting yes from people around you. That's right. If you get yes, you say, you are living life. And when you get no, you say, life is full of disappointment and you are full of life. And one serious thought, another serious thought was, it's about living a legacy and leaving behind a legacy. Well, in all these thoughts, the most convincing answer was, life is a journey. Life is a destination. Life is a journey, but you live it moment by moment as it comes. Well, it looks quite true because as I look back, when I was a kid, I always wanted to be a superhero, just like Superman, Batman, He-Man, or Nagraj, or those kind of stuff. And and little further, I wanted to be a movie hero. And when I grew up again, and at the end, I want to become a simple, normal human being, a good human being. So all this time, life remained a journey, but destination kept on changing. But the serious question comes at this stage is, if life is a journey at all, then where the hell we are going? What and how we are going? And why? And when we are changing destination from point to point, from one destination to another destination, and why we are not happy with those destinations? And it's the problem with every life, every person's life. So I dig in further, I observed further, and I saw a common, pattern around all life. So it starts with when we are kid. When we are kid, we at that time we are full of confidence. We do have soaring high, dreams, and we wanted to do things, and we were doing things which we were loving at that time, and there was more to that. We were accepted at that time. Nobody, we were used to get yes at that time, or we were getting yes at that time, and we were lovables, we were followed by, we were just like a king of a kingdom. And when the time passed, something happened. Something happened, and we just hit the reality. When we at that moment we just discovered that no, we are not the front runner. We became behind in the line, and with that the confidence went down. So we suddenly heard no from people. We got nobody. I mean, when you nobody liked you, or you were not that followed by as you were at that time. So you just realized what's going on, and in that process you started doing the things repetitively. Like you started absorbing more and more pressure. You started running behind the things, and in all these things you are doing to just get an answer. What is happening and what is life. So in that process of finding the right answer for the question, what is life, you get entrapped into more and more questions, and rather than finding an answer, you become a question, and you started asking yourself a question like, who I am, why I am here, and what is my purpose, and so and so and so. So, and everybody comes to this stage, these kind of questions. So if you want to answer these questions, you need to answer just 3 questions. Those 3 questions are, what do you want to do, or what you love to do in your life. The second question, who do you want to be around, and third question, how can you make a change. So if you don't know the answer of these questions right now, there is no hurry. You can answer these questions at any time, and you can find answer for the various questions of it. But if you want the answer, the ultimate answer for your questions, so you need to answer just these 3 questions. What do you really want to love to do? Who do you want to be with? And the third one, how can you make a change? And if you know the answer, just write it down, that answer, and just do that thing, whatever you write over there. And you will find all the answers coming into your mind about your existence, about life, about anything. I want to conclude with the same convincing quote about life, that life is just not a destination, but it's a journey, and you want to live it moment by moment. But when you are living it, just don't live it spectacularly.